Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to boost a vehicle using a booster pack. So every booster pack will have a red cable and a black cable. Each battery will be also marked. I will show you plus for a positive pole and minus for a negative pole. You can also notice that the red cable is going to the positive pole and the black cable is going to the negative pole. To boost a car, just connect the black cable to the negative pole and the red cable to the positive pole. Then turn your booster on. Always make sure the cables are not close to any kind of fence or belts. And always double check that you connect the red cable to the positive pole and the black cable to the negative pole. Some rare batteries don't have those markings, or the batteries are old and the markings are not visible anymore. In that case, check the color of the wires going to the pole. If you connect the opposite poles, then you risk doing damage to your vehicle. You will most likely burn a fuse or two, or in worst case, you'll do permanent damage to the PCM or electrical system of the vehicle. So once everything is ready and connected, you can go and try to start it. And that's pretty much it. It's actually simple. So once the vehicle is running, first safely disconnect, turn off the booster pack. Always first remove the red cable. And then the black cable.